SEO is about trust, which is extra important for e-commerce websites. Backlinks, reviews, mentions, and AI visibility all tell Google your website is real, relevant, and worth ranking. In this video, I'm going to go over all these methods and the tools I use for them. My favorite SEO tools are with SEMrush, and I'm very grateful that they're sponsoring this video today. I'll be using their SEMrush 1 toolkit in this video, which combines traditional SEO with AI SEO. If you want to follow along with me, I've got a link in the description below for you to try it out for free. Just like off-page SEO for any websites, backlinks are going to be the core of your strategy. And as always, the goal is quality over quantity. You want links from reputable, relevant websites. To search engines, this signals authority and trust. Some e-commerce specific backlink methods are product reviews from bloggers and content creators, gift guides and product roundups, supplier or manufacturer backlinks, PR mentions for launches, milestones, or unique products, and affiliate partner links. My favorite way to do backlink research on SEMrush is using the backlink gap tool. Now with this, you can put in your website and you can put in your competitor's website and you can see what links your competitors have that you don't have. So to find this tool, you want to go to SEO and then you want to scroll down to backlink gap. Then you're going to put your domain here and your competitor's domain here. For this video, I'm just going to pick 2 random roller skating websites. So there we go. Those are 2 different roller skating e-commerce stores. So we're going to put those URLs in and then we're going to click find prospects. So now when we get here, I like to sort by 2 different ways to check it out. Best is great, and I love to look under AS, which is going to be the authority score. So this is going to show which websites one of you, either you or your competitor, has links for, depending on how good the authority score of the site is. And remember that quality is better, so that's why we love high authority score sites. And here on the right-hand side is the columns where you can see which of the websites has that link. Now remember, the high authority sites are going to be harder to get links at usually, so feel free to scroll down a little bit when you're doing your backlink research. I also like to click unique, which shows domains that link to only one domain. And then if this is me and this is my competitor, I would click my competitor to see what links they have that I don't have. And then I would go after those links, specifically the ones that have a good authority score. Next, let's talk about reviews and reputation signals. For e-commerce sites, reviews and reputation are critical for both SEO and for conversions. Reviews help customers decide if they can trust your score, and Google uses it as a trust signal as well. Key platforms include Google Reviews, Trustpilot, Yelp, and industry-specific review sites. Using well-known platforms builds credibility, increases click-through rates, and can improve local SEO. Best practices to make this happen are really simple. You want to encourage genuine reviews, respond to both positive and negative feedback, and never use fake reviews. Brand mentions are another important offsite signal. Google can recognize when your brand is mentioned online even without a direct link. These mentions still contribute to authority and relevance. Best practice is to track when your brand is mentioned and, when appropriate, reach out and ask for a link. Common examples include blog posts or gift guides mentioning your brand, news articles or features, and forum discussions referencing your online store. You also want to pay attention to offsite SEO strategies for your store that relate to AI visibility. SEO is changing, as we know, but the good news is a lot of the strategies that work well for traditional SEO, like brand mentions and reviews, also improve your AI visibility. If you want to check and track your AI visibility, SEMrush is a great way to do that. Just go ahead and go to AI in the left-hand menu and then choose Visibility Overview, put your URL right here, and then click Check AI Visibility. After you do that, you'll come to a page that looks like this, which will show your mentions, your cited pages, and if you scroll down, it will show the topics that your website is linked in the most and from what AI tool. And that's it. Now you know all about off-page SEO methods for e-commerce websites. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you're building your own website, make sure to check out my description to download your free 9-step roadmap to DIY your first website, which will walk you through everything you need to do to get your site live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.